pinagkaiba nung when I was watching and looking after with a Chinese kid than a Canadian kid. Children yun. Kasi tatlo dito, sa Hong Kong is isa. Ang food nila, in terms of food, di ba ang snacks nila sa Hong Kong is bilang. If ganito na snacks, if it's a little too sweet, 2, 3. Dito wala. Chips even is okay. Yung parang chips, yung sodas and pops, walang problema sa pagkain dito. Yung parang they can eat what they want, and as long as yung parang basta kumakain lang sila. But yun. It's different. Grabe, it's different. It's very strict in Hong Kong actually. Super strict doon in terms of food. And then, dapat fresh. Dapat luto mo dito kasi, diba, niluto mo na ngayon. Tapos, you have to put in the freezer and then reheat lang siya. Sa Hong Kong talaga is, I have to cook fresh food for yung sa baby. Kasi, diba, since she was, newborn up to na umalis ako, 4 years old and, siya, 5 months. And then, so, nung umalis ako, siya, yung lagi ginagawa ko ang pagkain niya is fresh everyday. Dapat may vegetable, kompleto. Oh, mag-a-adjust ka here, but it's okay yun here kay, diba, they're allowed to eat anything, ice creams and fudgicles and chips and pizzas, lahat pwede. Doon kasi sobrang may limit talaga in terms of food. Dapat siya, fresh and bago mong luto and then yun. So yun lang most of the time na pinagkaiba ng mga bata, but it's so easy. The adjustment was since nanggaling ako sa strict na pamaraan ng pagpapalaki ng bata, then coming here na 3 ng alaga ko, 3 years old, 4 years, just turned 5 years old and 6 years old. So nung 3 alaga ko, and then the setting is different, but it's I like it here really. So mas siya, mas, how do I say it, when it's time, it's time. Tapos yung trabaho mo is mas magaan siya dito, and then mas magaan siya. Yes, yun.